Here are the essential things you need to know about the suspension system in your car. Hi, I'm Brendan from Auto Guru, and we're going to talk about what suspension is, common issues found with the suspension system, how much it'll cost to replace or repair, and how long it'll take. The suspension system in your car is designed to give the driver and passenger a comfortable ride, but it's also to allow the vehicle to navigate through varying road conditions. The suspension system is made up of shock absorbers, suspension bushes, and springs. Some common issues that are found with the suspension system: clunking or squeaking going over bumps, bouncy or floaty ride, excessive body roll through corners, excessive tyre wear, poor steering feel, or uneven ride height. Suspension repairs can vary in cost depending on what needs to be replaced. Shock absorber replacements can start at $150 but could go up to over $600. Some luxury or performance vehicles have electronically controlled shock absorbers, and this could cost over $1,000 per side to get replaced. Suspension bush replacement can cost anywhere between $100 and $350 plus, depending on the location of the component. A suspension replacement or repair is considered a moderate task and may take a few hours to complete, but this also depends what needs to be worked on your car also. If you need a qualified mechanic to carry out any suspension repairs or replacements, visit autoguru.com.au.